'cause I'm on top of the world. Hey, I'm on top of the world. Hey, waiting for this for a while now. Paying my dues to the earth. I've been waiting so long. I'm only here for a while. Hey, take me with me if I can. Keep the destiny on. I'm on top of the world.
Bohol can definitely give you more than sightseeing, so on board to Go Travel, I made my way to the island with Ken and Dee. At ito, ang mga Bohol Extreme Adventure you cannot miss. 2 hours away from the capital, Tagbilaran, is Danao Adventure Park.
Teka, maraming pwedeng gawin dito sa Danao Adventure Park.
Ilabas mo na ang iyong 350 pesos para dito. Fondly called the Swiss Slide, the park's zip line is pretty much close to Swisside. It is a half a kilometer long and you'll be sliding from one mountain to the next, 200 meters above a raging river, rocks, and trees. At siguraduhin mong nakabukas ang iyong mga mata para sa isang malupit na view. Kung trip mo naman ang mag-swing ala Tarzan pero level 10, ito ang thrill para sa'yo.
Walang gustong mauna eh. So, ni Ken, I have to take footages. So, ito na lang gagawin namin.
So,
no, ganito yung gagawin namin.
Maiba tayo.
Maiba, una! Ah, no!
For 700 pesos, you get to experience an episode of Fear Factor plus your life flashing back in a 45-meter free fall until you swing on a pendulum in between two mountains. The plunge ang tawag dito, and I promise you, mamahalin mo ang buhay mo right after you survive. After a ton of sweat in that intense adventure, we needed some refreshing activity. And the Mag-Aso Falls is just perfect. Matatagpuan ito sa bayan ng Antiquera. And at first glance, para kang pumasok sa isang setting ng movie. Kulang na lang mga dinosaur. The Twin Falls is 25 feet and falls into a large emerald pool. At para mas exciting, you guys can try cliff diving. Basta iba yung pag-iingat lang, and always ask advice from the lifeguard on duty. On the next episode, we do some firefly night kayaking over the Abatan River. Dito lang yan sa thatboywhowondered.com.